Right, well, the other night I was looking through the videos that I did in the past year or so, and I couldn't help but notice there was a distinct lack of green laning. Now, that just will not do, and being that Christmas has passed, I've got some new Hagon shocks for the 500. I thought it's about time we got out and gave them a good go. So first off, it has been raining like more than usual in England. Obviously it rains a lot anyway, but we've had a huge amount of flooding. Everywhere is super muddy, as you can see. So I know that the green lanes will be a challenge today. I also think that the streams will be up quite high. Whether they'll be passable or not, I don't know, but that's all part of the fun, isn't it? So having a quick look at the Triumph, obviously I mentioned I've got new Hagon shocks. I'm really pleased about those because the shocks I had on there previously were honestly awful, absolutely atrocious, worst pair of shocks I've ever had. So hopefully we can trust in Hagon to keep us safe today. Apart from that, you will notice I've got the garish red tank on there, the one that came with the 650. Still haven't got around to repairing the turquoise one. I mean, that's the same story, isn't it? A nice little period kill switch that I fitted the other day, and that's about it. Apart from that, it's just been maintenance jobs. Now, one thing that is going to make this green laning video very different is the fact that I've recently picked up a new camera, which you will have all seen in the short film, and it is capable of getting some incredible shots. So today we're going to have a bit of fun. We're going to see what can be done, and we're going to see what shots we can get on that camera. I might well keep the talking to a minimum because, to be honest, my mic setup is not that great. So let's just get out there and see what the lanes are like, see what damage has been done by the rain. So that's our first green lane done, and it wasn't as muddy as I thought it would be. Actually, you can see here a few bikes have been through here, and that side has probably been dodged for good reason. But do you know what? I'm going to try and go through that bit. I think it looks like fun. I'll probably regret that, but we'll give it a go. Seems like a polite thing to do.
Thank you.
No worries.
Oh,
Hello.
Up there, though,
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you.
Cheers. This one's got a stream crossing, which can sometimes get quite deep. It's also really rather rocky, so hopefully this will be a good test for our new shots. Yeah, I think that's going to be alright. I mean, it's probably about a foot in the deepest part over there. It's surprisingly clear, so we should be alright. The tricky thing is getting the power down out here, because this is actually way steeper than it looks on camera. Cameras just do this thing where they make everything look proper easy, but getting the traction down first through this mud and then up this loose brickwork and up there can be a bit of a challenge, but I think we'll give it a good go. Now, the question is, first or second gear? I think it might be a first jobby, and then a quick shift into second on that hill. First can be a little bit evil for these rocky sections, because it is quite bumpy. If you grab a mitt for it, it'll wheelie off with you on board. Well, hopefully with you on board. Well, we've made it to the end of the last green lane, and we've done it without getting too muddy or too wet, which is kind of a shame because I was pretty up for that, to be honest. But the good news is the Hagon shocks are simply wonderful. They have absolutely transformed the bike, and it's given me the urge to get out there and do a bit more green laning. So at some point I am going to have to plot something further afield, new camera wise. Hopefully the shots I got were okay. I've been struggling with it a little bit today. The mounts aren't as sturdy as I'd like them to be and stuff like that, so hopefully I got some good bits. Rain is coming in, it's getting dark, I'm off home. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this and you're looking forward to some more off-roading in the new year. Take it easy, I'll see you next time.